Hello friends! Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, can you guess the name of these countries by their flags in 10 seconds? We'll give you a hint. So let's know how many you get correctly in the comment below. Let's get started. Guess the country by flag. It's France. It's easy flag. Can you guess it? That's right. It's United Kingdom. What about this flag? It's Australia. Can you guess this? Of course. It's USA, flag number 5. It's easy flag. Canada. Can you identify this flag? It's Egypt. Flag number 7. Japan. Do you know this flag? It's Norway. Flag number 9. Can you guess this flag? China. Can you name this flag's country? It's Brazil. Which country does this flag belong to? Correct. It's Germany. Flag number 12. Can you guess this country? It's India. Do you know this flag? Australia. Flag number 14. Can you name this flag? It's Italy. Can you guess this country? That's Netherlands. Do you know this flag? Switzerland. Can you guess this country? It's Austria. Flag number 18. Do you know this country? Argentina. Can you guess this country? That's Norway. Flag number 20. Can you name it? Colombia. Which country does this flag belong to? Your answer is right. Spain. Flag number 22. Can you name it? That's Trinidad and Tobago. Do you know this flag? It's Bahrain. Flag number 24. Do you know this country? Luxembourg. Which country does this flag belong to? That's Belgium. Flag number 26. Name the country with this flag. It's Portugal. Can you name this country? It's United Arab Emirates. Can you name this country? Jordan. What about this flag? That's Scotland. Do you know this country? It's New Zealand. Can you name this country? It's Thailand. Which country does this flag belong to? That's Vietnam. Flag number 33. Do you know this flag? Iceland. Can you guess this country? Your answer is right. Mexico. What about this flag? It's Ireland. Can you guess this flag? That's Wales. Flag number 37. Can you guess this flag? Nepal. What about this flag? It's Bhutan. What about this flag? It's Mozambique. Flag number 40. Can you guess this flag? Maryland. Can you guess this country? That's Kazakhstan. Flag number 42. Do you know this flag? It's Tanzania. Do you know this flag? It's Estonia. What about this flag? Papua New Guinea. Flag number 45. Can you guess this flag? It's Tuvalu. Do you know this flag? St. Kitts and Nevis. What about this flag? It's Kiribati. Can you guess this flag? That's Namibia. Flag number 49. Can you guess this flag? That's Comoros. Guess this flag. It's Djibouti. Flag number 51. Do you know this flag? It's Botswana. Do you know this flag? It's Solomon. Question number 53. Do you know this flag? It's Vanuatu. Second last question. Can you guess this flag? Sao Tome and Principe. Last question. Guess this flag. That's Solomon Islands. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, comment on your score. Please like and subscribe. Click on I button and watch more videos for education and fun. See you in the next video.